Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about linear approximation. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about y equals to cubic root of s. Now we need to do first the derivative of this one, and we have 1 over 3 with s to the power of 2 over 3 in here, because this one that is about s to the power of 1 over 3. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we can use about the power rule of the derivative. So in this situation, n equals to 1 over 3. And this one we have s to the power of negative 2 over 3. And that's why we have like this. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we have f approximate about this one. So in this situation, about S0, we need to select the number very close to this number in here. That is about number 8. So that means we have this one. So that should be about Y0 in here. So we have S0 in here. And this one we put number 8. And we have number 2. And the next one that is about this one. So that is about this one in here. So we need to put about number 8. So we calculate this number in here. And we have 1 over 12. So now we have the formula in here. So this one we calculate that is about 1 over 12. This one we have number 8. Y0 that is about number 2. Now we want to find approximation of this one. So we just put about s that is about 1.8 8.1 in here. And this one we have 2.008333. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.